Hello everyone, here I am going to ask you 10 miscellaneous MCQs from the chapter The Living World and Biological Classification, and at the end I will give you the results, so watch the video till the end. Question number 1 is, as we go from species to kingdom in a taxonomic hierarchy, the number of common characteristics A will decrease, B will increase, C remain same, or D may increase or decrease. And the answer is A, will decrease. Okay. The second question is, which of the following suffixes used for unit of classification in plants indicated a taxonomic category of family? A, ales, B, oni, C, ac, or D, ae. And the answer is C, AC. It indicates family. The third question is, genus represents A, an individual plant or animal, B, a collection of plants or animals, C, group of closely related species of plants or animals, D, none of these. Genus represents. Pause the video and take your time. And the answer is C, group of closely related species of plants or animals. Question number 4. The taxonomic unit phylum in the classification of animal is equivalent to which hierarchical level in classification of plants? A, class, B, order, C, division, or D, family. Pause the video and take your time. Read the question. And the answer is C, division. The next question is, term used for the closed ascocarp is A, apothecium, B, amphithecium, C, endothecium, or D, clistothecium. And the answer is D, clistothecium. Question number 6. Fungi producing 8 spores in a sac belong to the class A, Phycomycetes, B, Ascomycetes, C, Basidiomycetes, D, Deuteromycetes. And the answer is B, Ascomycetes. Question number 7. In penicillium, the asexual reproduction takes place by A, ascospores, B, aplanospores, C, sporangiospore, D, conidiospore. And the answer is D, conidiospores. Question number 8. Virions is A, nucleic acid of virus, B, antiviral agent, C, protein of virus, or D, completely assembled virus outside host. And the answer is D, completely assembled virus outside host. Question number 9. Which of the following kingdoms has no well-defined boundaries? A, Monera, B, Protista, C, fungi, D, metaphyta and metazoa. Has no well-defined boundaries. And the answer is B, Protista. Question number 10. Members of kingdom Protista are primarily A, parasites, B, terrestrial, C, aquatic, D, photosynthetic. And the answer is C, aquatic. Now the time for the result. If your score is 8 to 10, excellent, move on the next chapter. If 6 to 7, mediocre, revise time to time. Less than 5, so it's not satisfactory, learn the chapter again. We'll meet in my next video with another MCQs or any other video. If you want to know about NEET latest update, please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thank you.